Hey everybody, Tina Valentine-Bellefeuille here, your paparazzi chick, consultant number 51987, and owner of Valbell's Boutique. Yesterday I posted all the new spring summer Pantone colors / paparazzi colors in a post in my VIP group. If you're not in my VIP group, get in my VIP group on Facebook, Valbell's Boutique. But it shows not only the 2018 spring summer Pantone colors, most of them, but some that Paparazzi actually formulated themselves that they're going to roll out as well, using the Pantone colors and their own colors. That's what our jewelry is going to be based on for our spring and summer line, which is really exciting because there's some gorgeous colors. If you haven't looked at them, I'm getting ready to show them to you. They are right here. And the ones with the check mark are the actual Pantone colors. The other ones, I don't know if you can see the check marks or not, but I'll read off the ones that Paparazzi actually formulated: Peach Echo, Pink Peacock, Spearmint, Iced Coffee, Cactus, Blue Radiance, Limpet Shell are the ones that they formulated themselves for our spring-summer line. When I went to Empower Me Pink at the beginning of this month, in the beginning of February, I was able to buy what they called a sneak peek pack of 10 items from Empower Me Pink that have a lot of the spring summer colors in it. So I want to show you those, and I do apologize for the video and the positioning of my camera, but I have Bigsby sleeping in my lap, so I'm working around that. It's nap time for him. Anyways, I'm going to get started with these. Now, I do not have the name of this ring, but it is gorgeous, and it is in, I'm going to cheat with the colors because I don't know them all yet, Meadowlark. Check this out. It is a nice bright yellow, I don't know, it just makes me think of flowers or something. I don't know, but it is really pretty. Now, not a lot of people are, they don't really like yellow, but I love it. I wasn't always a yellow fan until I started Paparazzi, and now I wear yellow all the time because it just goes, it's a good accent color with things. I mean, I could wear it with this even, and so maybe I will. Next up, I have a pair of earrings. Now, none of these items, whoops, none of the items that I'm showing you today are available for sale. These are my personal items. We were only able to get the one set. So this is my personal collection. Now, this set of earrings has the chili oil color. Very earthy tones, and, you know, nice long, but not heavy on this. Now, you're going to start seeing, you might not see these exact items, but you will see these colors, and they may bring out the exact items. I'm not sure, but this is the chili oil, and these earrings are called Cavalier Canyoner. I love to say the names because they're just different. Next up, I've got a ring that's called Dreamy Glow, and it is in Little Boy Blue. Look at that. I love that color. And these stones, they're like ombre, you know, so they're a little bit darker in one area and a little bit lighter in the other. And that's the Little Boy Blue. Next, I've got a multicolored bangle bracelet that I absolutely love. You could seriously wear this with anything, and it's got a couple of different colors. It's got the lime punch, and it's got the cherry tomato in it, along with the black. I wore this the other day and got tons of compliments, and this is called Keep On Tribing. And then I've got a set of earrings that's called I'm No Wallflower. And the color on that is going to be the Spring Crocus. That's the Pantone color on that one. And then I have, some of y'all were interested in the Pink Peacock. This is called, it's a necklace called Next in Shine. And it is in the Pink Peacock. I could probably wear this with this shirt. It's, I do not know how to explain this pink, but it is beautiful. It's not a coral. It's not a... It's pink. It is just plain pink. But I love the style of necklace, too. I'll show you the back of it, how they got the stones in there. There's the little earrings. Gorgeous! And that was Next in Shine in Pink Peacock. And then the next one is another necklace. It's called Keep a Glow Profile. And this is in the, I want to say, spearmint color. It's, to me, it's not a blue, it's not a green. It's a blue-green. But I love this style of necklace because you can literally wear it with anything. But it is in the spearmint, I want to say the spearmint, it may be Arcadia. Those two are really close when you look at them, but nonetheless, it's beautiful. And then this next piece is in the Blooming Dahlia. I think there's a couple of you that like that too. It is a long necklace, and the Blooming Dahlia color is gorgeous. To me, it's like a powder pink with a little bit of metallic to it. It is so pretty. It's not a peach, it's not a pink, but it's really, really pretty. All the colors are really pretty. I love them. I cannot wait for everything to start rolling out. I made an order the other day, and I think some of the stuff that I ordered may be in some of the newer colors. Now, this is not one of the Pantone colors, but this is a new style of bracelet that Paparazzi has come out with, and I absolutely love it. It's got a buckle on it. And you just buckle it. And this is going to be part of one of their new trends. And I want to say it's, I can't remember the name of it, but the name of this bracelet is called Simply Stylish. I would have to get out my little book, and I don't have my little book. And then there is another necklace that came in this set, and it is all silver, more of a, you know, just simple, everyday, nice long 3-tiered necklace with a tassel on the bottom. And I think this is going to be part of the Quest, is one of the newer trends that they're branching off of some of the other stuff. But anyways, that is what I've got for you today. So I hope you enjoyed those, and I cannot wait to start ordering our new spring summer colors for you and getting those in and sharing them with you. If you have any questions about it, if you want to see any of the colors again or anything, feel free to message me or comment down in the comments, or just however you want to get in touch with me. If you want to talk more paparazzi with me, you can do that too. And that is going to be all for today. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, a fantastic weekend. Bigsby and I say, we love y'all, smile, and know you're amazing. Talk to you later. Bye.